Welcome to World Classic Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer to you this 1966 Mercedes 230 SL Pagoda, finished in Tunis beige metallic with black upholstery. This car is an automatic gearbox with power steering option car. UK right-hand drive car from new, covered 80,000 miles with superb history and old MOTs going back to 1981 when the car had covered 30,000 miles. All the ownership history is with the car, with printouts from owner to owner. Car has been used extensively abroad for touring in the last 10 years or so, and the expenditure on the car is all within the history file. Great, reliable, usable Pagoda. Okay, being a 230 SL, this is one of the early cars with more chrome, nicer detailing, such as these lovely swan neck mirrors and also the two-piece wheel trims. Looking down the car, paintwork glistens in the sun today. Nice straight car, great lines. It's got the headlamp notches on there, and if you look at the bonnet gaps, the fit and finish is very nice. Big expenditure in the last 15 years, mainly done by a renowned Mercedes specialist up in the northwest. Loads of detailed photos on our website, but as you can see, the car's gorgeous. Best thing is it's very, very usable. Chrome work is all great, all around the window, pillars there, nice finish. The wiper spindles all nicely detailed, window rubbers all good, door tops there, soft tops around, and of course the dashboard. Wheels and tyres and trims all in great condition, as is the rest of the car. Nicely fitted at the back there. Again, the chrome nice, the original lights. Also an original Mercedes fuel cap and the exhaust tips. It's got a fairly recent stainless steel exhaust on it. So there we are, 230 SL automatic. Okay, the car's got a brown soft top, which we'll put up for you in a moment. It's also got the colour coded hard top with the car as well, which is in great condition. We'll put that on and show you that too. Hubcaps match the colour of the hard top. Again, detail on the car. It's very, very nice, very presentable. Door cards in great condition. Lovely Tunis beige dashboard there, black steering wheel. The wood's been replaced fairly recently on top of the dashboard, the speaker cover, etc. Centre console with an ashtray, which unusually works. 4-speed automatic. Square weave carpets, and these lovely black leather perforated seats. So all in all, just a lovely, usable car. Chrome work on the interior of the car is as good as on the outside. In the boot, got the spare wheel, jack wheelbase and everything under there, and also a nice tool roll. Just come in the driver's side. Again, the seat, super condition. It's got inertia real seat belts. Lovely dashboard with the mileage shown at 81,404. Heater controls all working. The car's being looked after very well. These are normally stiff or broken off. Everything working. Being an early car, they are the clear ones. They shine up lovely at night. It's had a later radio CD fitted, and small speakers on the kick panels under there. This could be converted back to a period piece with modern internals, I'm sure. Under the dashboard, under the bonnet, colour coded. There's evidence and photos of the engine out and the engine bay being detailed. All the inner wings, no corrosion or anything like that. And again, the engine nicely detailed. Looks like it's had a new radiator fairly recently. No rust, just a very, very clean car. So we'll put the soft top on for you in a moment, and then the hard top, and then we'll take it for a spin. Okay, and this is a Pagoda with the soft top up. Dark tan, lovely condition. Fits well as well. Framework and everything all in good order. Headlining's nice and clean. And it's quite easy to operate, this one. So that's with the soft top up. Thanks for looking. Okay, here's a Pagoda with the hard top on. The hard top's in lovely, lovely condition with superb chrome. We've got seals. We'll also just pop the bonnet for you, and the engine's running now, so you'll see how well it runs. The headlining and the wood off your hard top, it's very nice. So there we are. So the engine's running. Nice and smooth at the back. Ticking over quite nicely at the front. Car's had a lot of all these new ball sockets have been renewed. Nice and detailed under here in all fairness. So there we are, we'll take it up the road. Okay, paperwork wise with the Pagoda, there's a massive history file. Included in it is the current V5 registration document with copies of other owners going back to 1971. Original data card there, and the handbooks, through old tax discs, electronic ignition instruction manual there. We've got some photographs of the previous restoration and engine rebuild there. This is the history, which is going back to the early 80s. The larger two files on the top are the last two keepers, so massive expenditure in there. There's also a spreadsheet and other information on the expenditure in there, which has been collated by previous owner. And also 30 odd MOTs going back to 1981, where the mileage was 31,000 miles up to current date. So it shows no discrepancies on the mileage, so quite a nice file, all put together in a folder for you. Okay, I'm going to give you a buzz up the road in this lovely low mileage 230 SL Pagoda. Just sat in drive now, setting off. She goes up the gears, that's it. This car starts in second gear, we're in third now, and now fourth, top gear. Kick down, working lovely, steering's dead straight ahead. Seats are firm on this car, it's got new seat bases in there, and it's firmest seats are normally quite spongy. Okay, one thing you will notice on this car, everything's working, good oil pressure, temperature gauge up, fuel gauge on quarter of the tank. And also the other thing is the indicators, left indicator, the stalk stays in position, and cancels. That's a novelty on its own. And it also does it same at the right position. It's a good sign of a low mileage car that's been looked after that. Okay, these 230s got more chrome on the cars, just a lovely car, lovely place to be. Use the gears manually if you wish. Power steering is a nice benefit for a 230. Sounds lovely through the stainless steel exhaust. Accelerating strong, no misfires. You can say the kick down. Working well. Speedo nice and steady. No vibrations on the steering wheel. It's a whole new shock absorbers, new springs, all the rubbers have been changed. New brake lines, brake calipers have been refreshed. So when we brake, no children, straight ahead. Very good. If you put this alongside a 280, you wouldn't notice much difference nowadays. All the water being renewed. It's a lovely place to be. No cracks on the dashboard. Dashboard top here is original. Transmission noise, handles a tree, in fact it handles fabulous. Kick down. There we are, one lovely Mercedes 230 SL, being driven how it likes to be. I dare go anywhere in this car. Give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website for more information of this beautiful car. Thanks for looking.